Right, so now we're going to be heading off to the Sherlock Museum. We got to find out where it is, location, and all the details for you guys. Hey Siri, give me all the info on the Sherlock Museum.
The name's Sherlock Holmes and the address is 221B Baker Street.
Okay, let's go. So as I said, we're on our way to the Sherlock Holmes Museum. Not sure how good it's going to be, but obviously I'm going to film there. Then we're going to head back. There's been about 5 trains thus far, and none of them have been ours on the tube. There's one right there, it's still not ours. So yeah, we're hoping that one of them is going to be ours eventually. Nope. Okay, yeah, now we have 4 minutes with the Circle Line number 2 there. At least there's some hope.